I'm here with Eva from Roquette. Eva, thank you so much for joining us. Empowering healthier and more sustainable food choices. That is the big bit of branding on your stand here at FI Europe this year. Talk to me about how you see the consumer demand for sustainable food choices and what you are doing as Roquette to respond to those.
Sure. So we know that we are, because we are consumers as well, more and more concerned about the environment, about the planet, and how our daily activities impact in the planet and in the environment. And for sure, food products is part of this. So it's an activity that we are doing, let's say, every day, sometimes in the same day, because we are eating, we need to eat to survive. And then we are checking the food products. We are checking if the packaging is eco-friendly. Yeah. But we are also checking the companies if they are having some actions to reduce waste, if they have an engagement on the carbon footprint emissions.
So your supply chain as well, ensuring they are sustainable.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. That's why for Roquette, this is really important. And from 2008, we have already some activities on sustainable development. But we accelerate lately because we have an engagement of 25% reduction of carbon emission. But it is followed by SBTI, so science-based target indicator. And it's important to show that we follow an, let's say, official way of engagement in sustainability.
And of course, sustainability is very important. Your consumers are telling you that it's important to them. Health and wellness is another really important area for consumers right now. How are you responding to that key conversation right now with your products, with your product development?
Sure. So health and wellness is really important for consumers. And we can sum up in, let's say, two angles. So the first angle is regarding we have more and more obesity and metabolic diseases. Yeah. So the health authorities build a way to help the consumer to make better choices. Yep. For example, the Nutri-Score.
Yes.
So that's why we have this system in Europe. In some countries, it's already implemented. In some others, it's still ongoing. But it's one of the reasons why we are reformulating products. And the second angle is regarding the kind of ingredients we use to formulate products. Yeah. So consumers, we know that there are some ingredients that are good for us, like fiber, like proteins. That's why we see the front of package. So these claims that are regarding high in fibers, high in proteins, is sick by the consumers. We're looking at it. But we are also looking at the list of ingredients, what kind of fibers, what kind of proteins. So this is also very important for us.
Of course, clean label has been one of the key things. You know, we understand how much consumers are looking at that ingredients list on the back of the product, wanting to understand what everything is, wanting to see as few ingredients as possible as well.
Exactly.
So what are the other top trends, the key conversations that you're seeing here at an event like this, and what are you doing to address those challenges, those demands, those needs?
Yes, sure. So for this year in FIE, we analyze what is going to happen, let's say, or the big trends for 2024. Yep. And we identify three main trends. So one of them is positive nutrition. We just discussed about reformulation, about better for you. Yeah. And this positive nutrition is that we reduce the negatives, so sugar reduced without sugar, but we increase the positives, so increasing fibers, increasing protein. Yeah. That's why we formulate. One of the concepts is an example, but I would like to show it to you. Ooh. So this is a cookie. Yep. It's non-added sugar cookie. Okay. So we replace sugar using a soluble fiber, so Nutrios O6, which is without sugar. So it's one ingredient that helps to enrich in fiber. Yep. And then another ingredient, which is sweet pear maltitol powder.
Okay.
That is the closer polyol to sugar, so we can replace one by one without any issue. And also the topping, it's a caramel without sugar.
Right, okay.
So we demonstrate that we can formulate tasty and indulgent products, but better nutritionally.
Good for me, yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Right now?
Or
Yeah.
just after when we
Well, yeah. I tell you what. Once we finish rolling, I'm definitely gonna have a bite of that. What else have you got here as well, though?
Yes.
Because this all looks delicious, and I want to try all of this in a moment.
Yeah, sure. So the second big trend that we identify is transparency. We also mentioned that the list of ingredients is really important for us. We want to know what is in the products we are eating.
Yeah.
And that's why here we present different ingredients in Roquette. For example, this tea, it's a green tea prepared with Neutralis bee protein. We have organic ingredients in our range, so Roquette. We started to produce organic ingredients, and we have pea protein organic, Neutralis organic, pea starch organic, and also organic maltodextrin. So this is just one example that we can formulate with organic ingredients. And then another example is this spreadable plant-based cheese. And we use a specific Neutralis formulated for dairy applications because dairy is really neutral taste, very specific taste. So we improve our Neutralis in order to be applied here. And also a clean label starch. So in the listing of ingredients, you will see a starch only, and the shorter list of ingredients, as you mentioned. So this is another example for transparency. And the third trend that we highlight in this FIE is the new cuisine. Okay, so plant-based alternatives have a space in food, let's say, planet. Because we have meat products, we have plant-based food, but these are options. Okay, we don't want to replace meat. We want to be an option for the consumer. And we can also formulate tasty plant-based recipes, and this is what we are showcasing here. And this comes with a sauce. So this sauce is formulated also with a cook-up starch called cleara, and it allows to give a very shiny and pulpy texture. I hope you enjoy all
sweet chili sort of thing. Yeah, I like that very much. Very good. So 3 clear trends, 3 clear responses to you from you here at the show. Eva, thank you so much for chatting us through what Roquette is doing here. Its presence at FIE this year, and indeed its vision for 2024 and beyond. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you to you.